What's up guys, welcome back to the FP family. Today we're trying out 5 different Kit Kat flavours. Are you ready boys?
Yeah.
We've got original chocolate, orange chocolate, caramel, dark chocolate and white chocolate. We're going to try all 5 different flavours and then we're going to tell you which one is our favourite. We'll start off with original. Alright. That's good. I'll probably give that one 8 out of 10. What do you think?
A 7.
A 7 out of 10 for Kingston. What do you think, Romeo? How many points out of 10?
3 out of 4.
3 out of 4? Right. Let's move on to the next one. Chocolate orange. Oh, we've got double bars with this one. I'll break it in half. Half for Kinga, half for Romeo. Chocolate orange. Let's give it a try. I think that's a little bit better than the original, so I'll give that one an 8.5 out of 10. What about you, Kingston?
7 out of 10 still.
A 7 out of 10 still. What about you, Romeo?
6 out of 9.
How many?
6 out from 9.
6 out of 9? Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Caramel. Alright, let's see. Caramel. Is it nice? I'd say it's not as good as the orange and it's not as good as the original. So I would give this one a 7 out of 10 for the caramel. What about you, Kingston?
A 6.
A 6. And what about you?
A 1 out of 9.
A 1 out of 9 for Romeo. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Dark chocolate. Kingston doesn't like dark chocolate. Let's see if he likes this one. Open mine. Romeo likes it. Let me see what I think. Yeah, that's actually even less down on the scale. I'll give this one a 5 out of 10. It's not as good as the original, the chocolate orange, or the caramel. So 5 out of 10 from me for dark chocolate. What about you, Kingston?
A 1 out of 10.
A 1 out of 10? You don't like dark chocolate, do you?
No.
What about you, Romeo? How many points for the dark chocolate?
A 1 out of 4.
A 1 out of 4? Okay. And let's move on to the final one. The white chocolate.
I like white chocolate.
White chocolate. It's quite nice. I like that one. I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. Yeah, I like that one. What about you, Kingston?
A 2.
A 2 out of 10. What about you?
A 1 out of 10.
A 1 out of 2? Okay. So that's it for me. My favourite would have to be the chocolate orange, I think. Or the white chocolate. Which one was your favourite, Kingston?
Chocolate orange.
Chocolate orange was Kingston's favourite. And which one was your favourite?
All of those.
Which one?
All of these.
All of these. Romeo likes all of them. So comment down below and tell us which one is your favourite. Original chocolate, chocolate orange, caramel, dark chocolate or white chocolate. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.
Bye. Bye. Subscribe for more awesome videos.
And give us a fat thumbs up.